So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load. And then once we're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. Now you want to click on restart, which will now take us into our BIOS. Now this is going to look different for everyone because we all have different motherboards. So your screen might be looking completely different to mine. However, it's pretty much going to be the same steps. So now once you're in your BIOS, you want to enable secure boot. Now this is some footage of one of my older videos from a different tutorial. I'm using the Lenovo ThinkPad laptop and I'm going to enable secure boot. So I'm going to go to my security tab and then enable it through there. On your BIOS, it's probably going to look a bit different. You can search up on Google or YouTube how to enable secure boot for your specific BIOS. But you most likely need to go to your security tab in your BIOS and then enable secure boots from there. Once you enable it, you then want to exit and then go back to Windows, and this should now fix your problem. It should show you how to navigate through your BIOS with the keys. It might be on the bottom or the top, but it should be showing you how you can navigate through your BIOS, most likely with your arrow keys and your enter button.